Did you know you can machine 4-axis parts with BobCAD? Here's how it works. One way to program 4-axis parts with BobCAD is with a wrapping group. A wrapping group uses axis substitution based on a wrapping diameter. Adding a wrapping group is easy. Just right-click on the machine setup, go down to Additional Functions, and then Add Wrapping Group. To edit the wrapping group settings, just right-click and choose Edit. One of the first things that you want to set up is the wrapping diameter, which you can choose from the stock or manually enter it in. New to version 29 is the ability to support wrap geometry and also to show your toolpath as wrapped. Once your wrapping group is set up, you can load 2 and 3-axis toolpaths that would be wrapped to your diameter. In this case, we have a pocketing routine. We can select our wrap geometry because we chose wrap geometry in the wrapping group setup. From here, we can compute our toolpath, and the toolpath generated will be wrapped to our diameter. To learn about tips and tricks using BobCAD, call us today or subscribe to our channel for next week's tips. See you then.